Shut up.
What'd you use? I can't get my hair to smell like that.
That vanilla stuff.
What do you do?
I put it in my hair?
Do you like scrub it in and leave it in for a few minutes?
Yeah, scrub it in. Okay. This is what I do when I shower. Okay. You get in. I can't say it when you're doing that. Okay. I get in. I put shampoo in. I use that morning burst after I wash the shampoo out. And then I put conditioner in, leave it in, wash my body off, and then wash the conditioner off. And that's what I did. Awkward.
Yeah, you spit all over me.
Get in on this action. Ew! Please don't spit it out. That'd be really gross. Ew, for my legs. I forgot to shave them.
Oh.
I can't keep a straight face around you ever. You choke on cereal. I need a cigarette. You're so annoying. Just kidding. You're pretty fucking funny. Well, that lasted long. Watch her eat cereal.
Watch me too.
Oh, you see my back crack.
Wait, I'm coming up. Ew, I just spit in my cereal. I'm throwing this shit out. Gonna go up to my room. My room, my room, my big room, my big, beautiful room. Nave.
Did you get yourself unbelievable side stitch?
Yeah, I got side stitch right